Yo, this is Filthy Laid Back reporting here with the blue team on NorCal, Filipino back, California. What's up? This is John. What happened?
We're going to go after the player of the game, man.
Player of the game?
Durrell,
Who's
man.
that? Durrell?
Player of the game.
DeVega? Oh, so what happened, man? How'd it go down?
Shit, I missed 3 layups, dog.
Missed 3 layups?
Yeah. Almost cut our game.
All right.
That freaking 3 layups.
So what do we got to do to make it better next time?
D up more.
D up, that's it? That's what's up. All right, thanks. And you? What's up with you, man? What happened?
I need to get in shape. That's what it is.
In shape? What? How tall are you?
5'5". MVP.
How much you weigh?
200.
Oh, that's same thing as me. I'm just 5 feet. All right, man.
All right.
Good job. Hopefully, we'll do a better work next week. It's hard work, man, playing white team, huh? White team's good.
They're good, yeah.
All right. We out.
Right here.